with a new video. Today we are going to cook ugali, greens and chicken. Let's get started. We've already started cooking our ugali. As you can see, it's already almost ready. We've boiled our chicken. As you can see, the ingredients of the day, we are going to use tomatoes. You can see. We're going to use onions. We're using cooking cream. We're using dark soy sauce. We are going to use Royco cubes. You can see them. Yes, Royco cubes. We are going to use kitunguu ile ya majani. The spices of the day, we are going to use paprika. We are going to use mixed spices and coriander. Tuanze kupika chicken. As I've said, we've boiled it already. And we're also going to use oil and salt. We're going to put oil here. We'll let it cook kidogo. It's already boiled. Tuweke mafuta kidogo tu, not too much oil. That is enough. Then we put our onions. And then we let it cook. Our ugali is ready, so we can just remove it from the fire and start cooking the greens. Kienyeji. We start cooking our mboga. Weke mafuta kidogo. Then kitunguu, we let it cook. Our kitunguu is done. And on the other side, the kitunguu kwa mboga is cooking. So sasa tunaweza weka nyanya. We are cooking wet side, not dry. Give this time to cook. We continue cooking our greens. The greens for today, we are cooking spinach, some terere, some manago. Yes. In the background is my son. Yes, today we are cooking with him. Our kitunguu is done, so we can add our greens. Then we cover this, we put some salt, cover it to cook. We add our cooking cream. I have added the spices already off camera. So that is the cooking cream. I said we are cooking wet fry. Hatukupiki nyama dry kabisa. Then we add our soy sauce. So add all of it. The chicken was so soft, so imeiva mpaka inaachana. People should see. Hiyo smell yenye inatoka hapa. It's heavenly. It's very nice. So we had our onions, our green onions. Ama zinaitwa nini? Here, let's see what we had. These are from my shamba, by the way. Yes, so that's where we had them. And then we are going to add coriander too. Let me cut the coriander and come back. So we had our coriander, dania yani. Yeah, and then we're done. Our chicken is done. Put off the gas and continue cooking the greens. Greens tutapika kidogo because of the managu. See how it looks yummy? Can see? Looks very yummy. So tunafunika. Oh, sorry. And then we continue doing the greens. I feel like adding some nyanya here, though I did not plan to put some nyanya, but let me put nyanya. Then we give it time to cook. We'll be back for the results. Let's add some cooking cream kwa kienyeji. Kidogo tu si mingi. Then we let it cook. We also add our Royco cube. And then, as I said, when you're adding your Royco cube, make sure you test your salt so that you cannot over salt it, because Royco cubes will usually have salt. Our kienyeji is done. So let's serve it so that you can see the final product. Here is the final look. Here is the final food. As you can see, now you can taste the chicken. This food is so yummy. If people try this recipe, and then you comment on my comment list section so that you can tell me how it went through. And then thanks for watching, and it's a bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.